Hello, welcome guys. Today I will show you how to reset the password of the Windows subsystem Linux. So we will start the Windows subsystem Linux. We'll open that. As by way reset the password of the WSL Windows subsystem Linux. As sometime we run the command with sudo and we forget the password. As I forget the password and it only allow us to retype the password for three times then it shows the incorrect password. So to reset this you have to open the cmd. So in cmd you just have to go to the folder where your linux is located. So we'll move to our folder. My linux this is located at the app data. So I will move to app data local and Microsoft and Windows app. As you can see that the Linux is located at the Windows apps folder. Also, we need to just type the Linux name Ubuntu 2204.exe config default use root and hit enter. Now we will open the Ubuntu again. As you can see that the user has been changed for our Windows subsystem Linux to root. So now we can see that our user home exists Rajasthani. So we'll reset the password for our user. So we need to type the password Raja Sahani and enter the new password. As you can see that the password is invisible, so type it correctly. As my password is updated successfully, so I'll reopen the Windows Subsystem Linux and will change the user to default Raja Sahani. Okay, and we'll close the CMD and again open the Ubuntu. As you can see that my username has been opened and I will run the command with our proper password. As you can see that it has taken the passwords. So like this you can reset the password of the Windows of system Linux. Thank you guys. You can subscribe our channel to get out the new videos on the Linux. Thank you guys.